Good day everybody! For today's lesson, we'll be dealing with multiplication of polynomials. In multiplying, it can be done by using distributive property, vertical method, and FOIL method. It requires knowledge of laws of exponent. Now let us have an example. Multiply the following. Number 1, 4x squared and 12x. By distributive property, we will multiply 4 by 12 and we'll get 48. And then, copy our literal coefficient, just add the exponent. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. Therefore, we have 48x raised to 2 plus 1. Then simplify, we'll have 48x cubed. Number 2, 2x and 5x plus 10. Just distribute 2x multiplied by 5x. 2 times 5 is 10. Then, applying the law of exponent, we'll add the exponent since they are like terms. So we have 1 plus the exponent of x here is 1. Next is 2x multiplied by 10 and we'll get 20x. Simplifying, we'll have 10x raised to 1 plus 1 is 2. We'll have 10x squared plus 20x. Number 3, 4a and 4a squared minus 3a plus 7. Applying distributive property, 4a multiplied by 4a squared will get 16. Then adding the exponents since they are having the same base. Next, 4a multiplied to negative 3a. 4 times 3 is negative 12. And then we have a adding its exponent 1 plus 1. Next, 4a multiplied to 7. And we'll get 28a. Simplifying this, we'll have 16a raised to 1 plus 2 is 16a cubed. Next is minus 12a squared. Since we add 1 plus 1 here, it becomes 2. Then just copy 28a. Therefore, our answer is 16a cubed minus 12a squared plus 28a. Next, number 4. Now, we will multiply here binomial by trinomial. So, x minus 5 multiplied by 4x squared plus 5x minus 3. Applying groupings. So, we'll multiply x to 4x squared. We'll get 4x cubed. We just add the exponent of x here, which is 1, plus the exponent of 4x squared, which is 2. So, 1 plus 2 will get 3. Next, x multiplied by 5x will get 5x squared. Again, the exponent came from the exponent of x here, which is 1, added to the exponent of 5x, which is 1 also. And then if you add this, we'll get 2. Next, x multiplied by negative 3 we'll get negative 3x. Negative 5 times 4x squared will get negative 20x squared. Then negative 5 times positive 5x is 25x. Negative 5 multiplied by negative 3, same sign, equals to positive when you multiply. So we'll get positive 15. Now let us combine like terms. Just copy 4x cubed because there is no like term with x cubed. And then, as you see, we have here two like terms. Okay, so 5x squared and negative 20x squared. When you combine this one, 5x squared minus 20x squared will get negative 15x squared. Next, combine negative 3x and negative 25x. So we have here negative 3x minus 25x will get difference of negative 28x. And then, since there is no like term as 15, we'll just copy this one. Therefore, our answer here is 4x cubed minus 15x squared minus 28x plus 15. Again, you will not combine this all because they are unlike terms. Next, let us apply FOIL method. So, F pertains to the first term, O for the outer terms, I for the inner terms, L for the last terms. Say for example, we'll have here A plus 4 and A plus 2. Let us identify the first terms. So the first term in the first binomial is A, and the first term in the second binomial is A also. So first terms for this given are A and A. Outer terms. So the outer terms here is A and 2. Inner terms will get 4 and A. And the last terms for the two binomials are 4 and 2. Now let us use FOIL method in multiplying binomials. Number 1, A plus 4 multiplied to A plus 2. So applying FOIL, multiply the first terms, which are A and A, will get A raised to 1 plus 1. The outer term, which are A and 2, and we'll get plus 2A. Next is for the inner term, we'll have 4 times A is 4A. And for the last term, we'll multiply 4 and 2, and we'll get positive 8. Then let us simplify. A raised to 1 plus 1 is equal to A squared. Then add 2A and 4A. We'll get 6A. Then just copy 8. Therefore, our product here is A squared plus 6A plus 8. Number 2, 5x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. Applying the FOIL method, multiply the first terms, which are 5x and 2x. We'll get 10. Then x raised to 1 plus 1. We'll just add the exponent since they have the same base. For the outer terms, we'll multiply 5x and positive 3, and we'll get positive 15x. For the inner term, multiply negative 2 times positive 2x, and we'll get negative 4x. Last, multiply the last terms. Negative 2 times positive 3. We'll get negative 6. Simplifying this one, we'll get 10x squared. Then 15x minus 4x. We'll get the difference of positive 11x. Then just copy negative 6. Therefore, our answer here is 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. Number 3, 2x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Applying the FOIL method. 2x times 2x will get 4x raised to 1 plus 1. Next, multiply the outer terms. 2x times negative 1 will get negative 2x. For the inner term, 5 times 2x will get 10x. Then multiply the last terms. 5 times negative 1 and we'll get negative 5. Simplifying, we'll get 4x squared. Negative 2x plus 10x is positive 8x. Then just copy negative 5. Therefore, the product is 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. Number 4. 4x minus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 3. Applying the FOIL method, 4x times 5x will get 20. X raised to 1 plus 1. Then multiply the outer terms, which are 4x and negative 3, which can give you a product of negative 12x. Then multiply the inner term. Negative 4 times positive 5x is negative 20x. Then multiply the last terms, which are negative 4 and negative 3. And we'll get positive 12. They have the same sign, and when you multiply same sign, the product is positive. Simplifying this, we'll have 20x squared minus 32x plus 12. Therefore, our answer is 20x squared plus minus 32x plus 12. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless you.